Hello everyone, this is Care. Today I'm going to show you how to create a segmented opening effect like this. You can easily apply it to your own videos. Just follow the tutorial step by step and you will be able to do it. I will show you two different ways to do that. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Let's first do the first method, which is cropping frame. First, double-click to open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it, use the link in the description box down below to get the software for free. Import the material you need to create the effect into VideoProc Vlogger. Then, click here to create a new text layer and delete all the text. Next, click here to save a black screenshot. Then import a screenshot into VideoProc Vlogger. First, place the video material on the main track. Click Crop and modify the number here to 1/3. For example, if it is 1920 here, we enter 640. Then we click Apply. You can see that the sides of the image are cropped. Next, we click here to create two overlay tracks. Copy the video material twice. And move it to the main track. Next, select the bottom material. Click Crop. Move the display area to the far right of the frame. Then we click Apply. Next, click here to move the image to the far right of the preview window. This completes two areas. Then we close the display of the overlay track. Select the material on the main track. Click Crop. Move the display area to the far left of the frame. Then click Apply. Move it to the far left of the frame as before. Let's open the overlay track display again to see. Now, the complete image has been divided into 3 parts. Next, import a piece of music and add some marks based on the beats of the music. Then place the black material here. Shorten the duration and align it with the second mark. Then move the other 2 sections of the material backward to align here. Next, split this material from here and delete this front part. Split the material from the position of the next mark. Let's play to see the effect. Well, we can feel the vibe here. Next, place the black material on the bottom overlay track. Select Align by Height in the inspector. Then add a mark on the material at a point just after the last mark. Then click Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting position. Restore the display area. Then move it down to about this position. Leave it as much black border as you want. Add another keyframe at a mark. Then move back about 1 second. Add another keyframe. Move the display area down to completely move out of the frame. In the bottom right corner, find speed and change it to speed down. Finally, add another keyframe at the end position. Then copy a black border. Select the vertical flip in the inspector. Let's play and see. Well, now it's feeling better. We can also add some text at the position of the first mark. Click here to create a new text. Enter the text you want here. Change your font to your liking. Then adjust the position, size, and shadow. Then adjust the duration of the text. It should be about 2 seconds after the black border animation. Then, we add a find out effect, lasting about 1 second. Okay, let's see the final effect. Well, not bad. The advantage of this method is that it can be used in any situation. An animation rhythm can be flexibly adjusted according to your music. But the disadvantage is that if you need to create multiple such effects, it's a bit cumbersome to repeat the operation. Well, in the next video, I will show you the second method, how to quickly apply this opening effect in videos by creating templates. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or check out a more interesting tutorial on our homepage. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!